Now that it's daylight, we can finally see the siding and it looks pretty good. Very dirty. We're gonna have to power wash this house at some point, maybe in the spring. And yeah, we got up to the top window line, so we gotta bring the other side of the door up to the top of the window as well. And then we can finish off this wall. Which really shouldn't take us too long at all, because this is only, I don't know, 4 feet or so. Then we've got the little alcove to do. Shouldn't take us too long. It's pretty simple in there. And of course, the top part of that other side. So I think we can get it done today, which is going to be really awesome to see it all come together. We decided we're going to do the caulking in the spring because on the rest of the house, we noticed that there was some wood shrinkage and we're going to have to recaulk all of that anyways. So we're just gonna leave all this wood. A lot of this wood is store-bought, so it should be pretty dry anyways, but we just don't wanna have any issues with the caulking. It's very, very expensive getting the color to match this, and we have to special order it, so we'll just do it in the spring. But Greg is getting that side all lined up, and we're just gonna get right into it.
9 and a half. Must be that tape measure.
What was it, 91 and a half?
Just 91. That's Referral top. Yeah.
So if you take a look at this, these are Katie's measurements. Katie's measurements. Are they better than mine? We'll find out.
Probably not. Is it perfect?
No, it's pretty damn close.
That's
though.
pretty damn close.
We just gotta.
It was supposed to fit under the window, so.
Well, that's
for
okay.
The wood.
Let's see what we got here. You know what? In your defense, it is perfect, but you didn't expect it to have to nip this up here.
Yeah.
Very good job, Katie. I'm proud of you.
Here's Greg's cut for contrast. What are you up to, Ezzy? We are so close, but it's so hard to work in the snow. Whenever all of the siding is getting wet and our pencil marks are just wet as well, and so they're kind of spreading and it's really hard to make cuts. Plus we're tired and there's some technical cuts coming up around the windows. The last one was a little bit hard for us, so we're gonna head inside at least for a little break. We might come out and do a few more pieces later on, but we'll have to see. We are running out of daylight, so really happy with this. It looks so nice. Can't wait. It won't take us long tomorrow to finish off the alcove and then that other side. So we'll see how much snow we get tonight. It snowed quite a lot, and now it's raining. It is absolutely disgusting here. I'm gonna try and get some shoveling done. It's gonna be awful. Very, very heavy snow. I'm for sure gonna have a sore back after this, and our hot tub is broken. We actually had a whole bunch of branches fall on the hot tub this morning, so it's gonna take a bit of work to get that going. We do have a new hot tub, but we haven't had a chance to hook it up yet. And there was a leak in the pipes where it joins the IBC tote. So we have a bit of work to get that going again. But at least we got some branches for the goats now. We'll move those over to the goat pen so they can chew on those. And yeah, it's so nice to get the snow. It really sucks that it's raining. be a quad plow in our future.
Well, good morning. I've got my tractor fired up. I gotta get rid of all this snow here. It's not doing anyone any harm right now, but because we had the septic field put in, our drainage around the house is a little bit weird on the backside here, and we need to get that cleaned up and moved around. So that pile right there is actually a pile of dirt. It's gonna be a lot of work to move it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I have to kind of I have to kind of keep this whole area like one big long gutter here that goes out to the side of the mountain. Because when we get events like this, where we had a foot of snow last night, and it's supposed to go up to 6 degrees Celsius today, and then we're gonna get a whack load of rain on top of it. These are the times when you gotta shovel it off your roof and move it all into a pile. Even though it's gonna melt anyway, it's all moisture, and if it melts right here, it goes under the house, or potentially goes under the house, I suppose. So I gotta clean this area out, get this all dealt with. I also gotta take care of our driveway, just so that we can get in and out. I got out this morning, but it was not easy. This kind of snow, once you drive over it once, it just turns into a racing slick. So I don't want to crash our brand new truck coming down the road. So got to get some snow removal in order here. We got to do that right now.
We recently noticed a crack in our hot tub fireplace, and so we had ordered a new one, but we haven't had a chance to set it up yet. And we got really lucky because with these branches falling, it actually dented the old hot tub, or the old fireplace, even more. So had we actually installed our new one, it would have been ruined from these branches falling. We got so lucky with that one.